Hi, beautiful souls. It's Savannah, and I have been wanting to do this video. I feel like everyone has pretty much learned Canva and how to access the files, but for anyone that's new to Canva and buying my digital kits, this is going to be the preferred method that I use. So I just wanted to show you how you access your files. So once you purchase a kit from me on Etsy, you're going to receive an email that looks something like this, and it'll say click here for download. You just click on that button. It is then going to open up a page that looks like this. You need to kind of scroll up a little bit, and then there's a button that says use template for new design. So you're going to click on that button. Then it's going to ask you how you want to access the design. So you can put continue another way, continue with email, Facebook, or Google. I'm going to put continue another way. And then you can access it through your Apple account, through a Google account, a Facebook account, Microsoft, Clever. You can set up an account with email, log in with mobile. So there's different ways. So I'm just going to, for me, it's just easiest. Let's just it really doesn't matter how it is that you do it. I'll just go continue with Facebook. And then I'm going to just hit continue. It's going to say Facebook is asking for your permission. I'm going to put continue. But you could do it with your email account, with all those different ways. Once you've selected the way you're going to log in, and you don't need a paid account, it is a free version account. My internet is really slow. We just have Wi-Fi internet because we're in the country. So you're going to see how actually still even quick this is. I don't have access to regular internet through my cable company because we don't have the cable company here. So it is still loading up because it's a really big file. So we'll just wait a moment. I hope you're all doing good. Okay, it's almost loaded. So you see it doesn't take very long. It is still loading because I can see this twirling around right there. And I apologize for the shakiness. I'm holding the camera while I'm doing this. Then you're going to see up here in the top right-hand corner, there's a button that says share. All you're going to do is click on the share button. You're going to come down here to where it says download. Don't change anything, just hit the download button. From here, another download button is going to come up. All these things that are up here, you don't change anything. Then just click download. Okay, and now your file is downloading to your computer. Once it's done downloading, that's kind of hard for me to say, then it will pop up in the form in a PDF, at least on my computer. That's how I have it set up. Yours might be a little bit different, but wherever you can access your download files, if it doesn't open immediately, just go to that place. Everybody's computer is different, so I don't know that portion of it. And you can see it does take a minute because my internet is so slow. So it has completed, and sometimes it pops up, sometimes it's still thinking. It should pop up here. You see my little icon spinning. And this process will probably happen much faster for you. I have a very old computer and slow internet. It's usually not this slow though. And my battery's gone low. Okay, let me close that out. So now I can see up here, it is still processing it to my computer. So that is gonna just take another minute or so. like I said, it'll probably happen a lot faster for you. I just want to show you the whole process. I don't want to cut anything out of this video so you can see how it actually happens. But I wouldn't change living in the city for living in the country. I will put up with my slow internet. It teaches me patience. Okay, so it looks like it has finished downloading. I'm just going to click on that, double click on the file, and there it is. There is all the pages of the kit. And then you just save it wherever you want to on your computer. So it's really very simple. It takes a few minutes, but that's because it's a big file with really high quality graphics. So today, my prayer for all of you watching this video is that you have a beautiful and blessed day. Until next time, remember you are cherished and you are loved. Love always, Savannah.